This weekend, I will be spending a couple days in Seattle to attend the Stardew Valley Symphony of Seasons concert, and to help me get prepared for that, I have partnered with Black Voyage USA to review the Zephyr vacuum sealed backpack to travel with. So I figured today we'll go ahead and pack this thing together, show you guys a little bit of the cool features that it has while we get prepared to travel, and to answer the question if this is the right backpack for your next trip. Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Paula, and this is the Black Voyage Zephyr 60-liter Vortex Vacuum Seal Air Compression Travel Backpack. It comes with 15 specialized compartments, their patented Vortex Vacuum Seal Air Compression System, an integrated TSA-approved lock, along with its own built-in USB charging ports to keep your devices powered through your trip. The material is made up of cloud weave RNPU fabric, which delivers military-grade durability with a luxury feel. Best part is this is also waterproof, which means that your belongings will stay safe and dry in case you run into any unexpected weather. So first off, we have the Zephyr here, and as you can see here, it is also pretty dust-proof. It's pretty easy to wipe clean. On the first pocket, we have kind of a smaller pocket here at the front. The first pocket is also pretty shallow. It has this mesh material here, so great for smaller devices, maybe something that's more frequently reached for. They do have this detachable key ring as well that is going to be easy to access just right here at the front. So smaller items that you want to keep separate from the rest of the backpack is going to go right here. On the main zipper pocket, we have more of that waterproof material. Again, another smaller pocket up here, a medium-sized one here, and I'm assuming this one also expands. So this is great for even bulkier items that, again, you want to keep separated. This is the main compartment. So with this main compartment, the pocket that is going to allow you to vacuum seal your belongings. So I had this open earlier since I was testing it out, but typically this is what it's gonna look like. And this T zipper, they did design it to be pretty tight. So they've included these D rings here just to help you get a better grip to really pull it open. And it really does involve a little bit of force. This little valve is what's going to allow us to do the vacuum sealing. And I'm excited to get into that. So let's just seal this up. Nice bright orange laptop sleeve and other smaller pockets for other items that you want to keep together. USB port that's going to allow you to plug in a power bank to power on your other devices so that while you're traveling, it's already charging up. And then the charge port is located right on the outside here. And you have a connection for USB-A and USB-C. Along with the charge port, you have the integrated TSA lock as well. You just set your own combination and it adds that extra layer of security with your belongings. On the back, we have the nice branding of the Black Voyage. We have very ergonomic straps for the backpack, as well as a waist belt. This backpack does start off as a 30-liter backpack, but can be expanded up to 60 liters, especially with the option to vacuum seal everything. I would assume that you can definitely fit more than it appears. So this is basically everything I am hoping to bring with me for the weekend. Since I'll be spending 3 nights in Seattle, I wanted to make sure that I'm prepared for the more casual days as well as what we're wearing for the concert, along with any gear that I might want to bring with me on this trip. I have here my pile of clothes. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just fold these if I really want to save space. Jumpsuit here, going home outfit, my PJs, which should just go right there. Undergarments in there as well. And so I'm just gonna close this up here. Again, sealing that from the top. I'm gonna add my shoes. I'm actually just gonna put this in this pocket out here. Maybe I can even fit these little ones here. So 2 pairs of shoes. All right, before I add anything else on top, let's go ahead and compress this using the vacuum. Okay, and then just seal that up here. Okay, I think that's pretty good actually. I'm gonna add my other toiletries and my makeup here. The only other things I have are smaller items. I could actually put my camera probably in the very front pocket. Jewelries, I'm gonna just add right here, maybe here, along with the vacuum pump, so it should still fit, so that's perfect. Close it all up. Everything is packed away, and I still have a lot of room in the back. All right, let's put this on and see how everything feels. And in case I need to move stuff around, I definitely have a lot of options on how to do that. Oh my gosh. It's a little bulky for sure, but it definitely is comfortable. And I do feel like the straps aren't gonna dig into my shoulder too much, especially with those kind of massage pads. It makes it more comfortable. So yeah, not too bad. And I can't believe that we fit almost like 4 or 5 outfits in here with 2 extra pair of shoes and some really bulky toiletries. So this is the most expanded size. Now we're now at 60 liters, but as you guys saw, I didn't even get to use the back pockets. And I still have a lot of compartments that I could utilize. So in case I pick up anything from my trip, there's definitely a little bit more room still. But yeah, this is very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and finalize everything and get ready to head to the airport tonight and take out the Zephyr with me. So this was actually the first time I've ever traveled by myself, and I'm happy to say it was pretty easy. It also helped I wasn't going anywhere unfamiliar, as we used to live in Seattle and have taken this trip many times. But it was pretty exciting, even though this was a late flight and I had no time to eat dinner. I was also getting a little sleepy. Just trying to get a snack. They moved my gate. My flight is delayed, so it's like I have another maybe hour extra, but I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go try to get something to eat. Once I finally got settled into my gate, I felt a little shy talking to the camera as more people arrived, so instead we're doing a voiceover. Quick disclaimer, I did bring a luggage with me on this trip because my friend Jem, who I'm visiting, asked me to make space because she wanted to give me gifts to take back home. She wanted to keep them as a surprise, so I played it safe and brought the easiest thing with me, which would be this roller luggage. It is empty, my stuff is still all inside the backpack like I packed earlier, but I was able to use the luggage strap on the back, which made it easy to wrap around on top of my luggage when I was just waiting at the gate. I needed somewhere to put my backpack as the gate got a little bit fuller.
This is a final boarding call for urgent flight.
Good morning. I know I haven't checked in at all, but we are getting ready to head to the concert. Oh yeah, you guys haven't met Jem in this channel yet, so this is Jem.
Oh,
she is
what channel are we?
This is the tech channel. We spent
Hello.
the entire weekend together.
Yes, we
already.
did.
It has been awesome. We're gonna go head to our salon because she will get her hair done, and we then will be Ubering to the concert.
Yes.
So it's been kind of a hectic weekend, but I will check back in with you guys how everything is going and let you guys know how our travel's been with the backpack.
Here's a mini review of the Stardew Valley concert. Definitely a must watch, especially as someone who has put in almost 200 hours in the game. We both really enjoyed it and had a great time. I would say if I could watch it again, I definitely would. Highly recommend seeing them live if they are playing at a city near you. You don't want to miss it. And just like that, I am now back from my trip in Seattle. Very quick trip. And I also now have Invisalign aligners. So I'm going to sound a little bit different. But in my last couple days in my trip, I was able to really test out the Zephyr and see how it is like in real time. So here's what I found. I imagine when fully expanded, the backpack would still be a little too bulky for some overhead bin sizes. But in my experience, both going to Seattle and coming back, I was able to fit it under the seat, no problem. The Zephyr is currently listed at $239, which is admittedly a premium price tag, but it's also not too far compared to other 60-liter backpacks, which also range around the 200s. So if you are someone who is willing to deal with a little bit of bulk, maybe a little bit of extra weight, in exchange for more capability and efficiency, this backpack is definitely worth considering. So, who should consider this and who maybe should skip? The Zephyr would be a good fit for frequent flyers who want to avoid extra baggage costs and need to comply with carry-on size requirements, and for those who want durability and wear and tear resistance. For short day trips, commuting, etc., it could be more pack than you need. And someone who walks longer distances daily with a heavy load, this backpack is better off when you have occasions to offload or compress, but still, weight adds up. Alright, so that is my full take on the Black Voyage Zephyr. If you are ever curious about vacuum seal backpacks, if you're anyone like me who has tried them for the first time, hopefully this has helped you decide if this is a good fit for you. Let me know in the comments down below what your priority is when it comes to a travel backpack. Is it the lightness, organization, maybe the durability, or is it something else? Once again, thank you to Black Voyage for sending us the Zephyr backpack to test out. If you want to check them out, you can find them in the link in the description down below. If you like this video or found the information helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up down below and subscribe for more tech and gear related videos. Let me know what you guys want to see next. As always, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.